I'm Becky DPT. Today, this is Lainey here with me, and she is a cheerleader. She had a fall at cheer, which, Lainey, why don't you tell us what happened?
So I was throwing a girl up, and she came right down on my head, and I came like onto the ground, and my whole neck and shoulders, they just all cracked. And they've been messed up for about like a week now, so.
We just did an adjustment in which you will see plenty of spaces that are just tweaked out to the side from that pressure coming down. I've treated Lainey before, and we know that she does not have an actual leg length discrepancy. But in this video, you will see that Lainey does have an apparent leg length discrepancy. You will see that her right leg is almost, if not a little bit more, than an inch longer. Take a look. We're traveling down the spine, kick out, another kick out. We come down, another kick out here, and another little tweak. And then we go into the opposite direction here, slightly and back. And the SI joint, this left side is higher than this right, and the right is rotated a little bit front. Okay, nice and relax. Little tug, little tug. That was easy. Nice little crack already. Oh, very good. Real relaxed. Oh, very good. You're going to feel a ton better after that. Deep breath in and blow out. Real melty, real relaxed. That was a good one. Good, nice and relaxed. Inhale and blow out. Melt, melt, melt. Good. Bend your knees up. Lift your hips up off the mat. Back down and relax your legs down to knee. And we see a significant difference in the apparent leg length. Real relaxed. Real relaxed, relax. Good. Up onto your side. Real relax. Good. Good. Very good. We'll go one more time. Make sure there's not another one. Good. Bend your knees up. Lift your hips. Back down and relax your legs. And we are even. Okay, chin up nice and high. And we're traveling down the spine, following our adjustment, very straight so far. Nice and straight. We had a lot of great movement. Still nice and straight. And SI joint is even.